Hello everyone, welcome to Tanpa Info. In this video, we are going to talk about an application building tool called RAD Builder. A tool with the ease of creating desktop or web applications. It includes navigation, drag and drop, visual form design, template availability, and minimal coding requirements. This application may be suitable for those of you who are not programmers or have minimal knowledge of programming, but want to be able to create Windows desktop or web applications according to our needs. This application can also be an alternative to introduce and learn visual programming for children. RAD Builder already supports the use of databases, reporting, and charts. As an instant product, RAD Builder may only be suitable for small or medium-scale application creation, and for advanced customization, more creativity is required. To try RAD Builder, of course we need to download the application and install it. Open the browser you are using, then visit longshan.com. After that, click the RAD Builder page link. Then click the download link. Download the file from the link and wait for it to finish. After the download is complete, open the download folder and run RAD Builder installation file. Wait until the installation process is complete. Then try running RAD Builder. Installation finished. To start getting to know RAD Builder, let's open the sample application. By default, the initial appearance of RAD Builder is like this, consisting of Object Palette, for displaying visual and non-visual objects you can use to design your user interface. Object Tree View, for displaying and changing an object's logical relationships. Object Inspector, for examining and changing an object's properties and events. Tab Menu Template Images. It is a tab menu containing images for various purposes. Form Designer, or Form, a blank window on which to design the user interface for your application. Let's try to create the first Hello World application with RAD Builder. Select the sub-menu New Project from the menu file. Then select Desktop Application. From the Object Palette toolbar, select and put Add button to main form. Then we set onClick from the button via the Object Inspector menu. For the first Hello World application, we will use the action type showMessage with the message string Hello World. And the icon and button information. Still on the Object Inspector of the button, we change the value from caption to show. To see the entire result that we have made, let's click Preview Form on the toolbar menu. From the form that is displayed, try to press the Show button. Then an alert or show message Hello World will appear. Next, let's try to create a Hello World with a different style. From the Template Images menu tab in the Label tab section, select one of the label styles and place it on the form. Then, set it so that it is located at the center of the top of the form. After that, using the Object Inspector, change the caption of the fade label to Hello World and set the visible property to false. Select the Show button, then using the Object Inspector, change the caption to show Hello and change the font style to bold. Position the button closer to the label. Resize the form to make it smaller. Switch back to the Show button. Then, using the Object Inspector, change the on-click action of the button. Since we want to create a Hello World with a different style, clean up the existing action first. In this on-click action, we will use several action types. The first one we use is the if-then-else action. To be easier, as an introduction, please follow each step first for this action. Now let's try the on-click action that we have created. The result is like this. Before we compile it into an X file, we will try to modify the form so that it cannot be resized, and add an exit confirmation button. From the Object Inspector of the form, change the value of border icons to none, and border style to size tool win. From the Object Palette, add a button to the form. And by Object Inspector, change the font style to bold, and caption to X. Add on-click action with action type Show Message. Message object is constant string. Message string is, "Are you sure to exit?" Icon and button is question. Then select Yes button actions with action type is exit. Now let's try the on-click action that we have created. The result is like this. Save the project that we have created. Then, run and compile it. After completion, exit the RadBuilder application. Then open the project folder from what we created earlier. There is already an X file from the compilation process that can be used directly. Thus, the creation of the Hello World application has been successful and completed.